today I'm reviewing the Good Skin Days Seize the Day Serum. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, check my Patreon community, or click on the link below. Okay, so I've been meaning to review this since it came out, since I picked it up, but SokoGlam, the website, came out with 4 products for their Good Skin Days line. And out of all 4 of them, this is my favorite. So thus the reason I'm reviewing it first. I also want to mention I've been asked about this a little bit recently, the CosRx Triple C Liquid Lightening Serum, which I absolutely loved. They discontinued it. CosRx now has a different vitamin C serum, which I'll review soon. However, on the website where they sold this, they recommend using the Seize the Day serum instead of this one if you liked the formula of the Triple C Liquid Lightening. It is pretty similar for a lot of reasons. Texture, a percentage of vitamin C, things like that, the price as well. So I would say it's a good substitute, so keep that in mind. It's also recommended by SokoGlam, so they have an interest in selling their own product, obviously. But I thought I would mention that because I was asked about it actually yesterday, so. Okay, so let's see. Brighter skin days are within reach with this concentrated stable vitamin C serum. Not only is it formulated with 10% pure vitamin C, ascorbic acid, but it also contains skin brightening licorice root extract and niacinamide to diminish dullness, improve tone, and minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines. Seize the Day serum also contains a blend of ginseng and mushroom to calm and nourish skin. Antioxidant-rich camu rounds out the formulation, which is a potent cherry-like fruit that contains 40 times more vitamin C than oranges. I wonder what a camu fruit looks like. Anyway, I could Google it. I'm sure it's there. Okay, so let me get to my first criteria, which is packaging, and we've got the standard dropper bottle, which I don't love for vitamin C. An airless type packaging would be much more effective. So I keep this in my little skincare fridge, which is full. So I also have my regular fridge, shocker there, to keep it when I'm not using it. If you refrigerate it, it helps preserve it a little bit longer, not too much, but still for an affordable vitamin C serum. Some of the ones that are packaged in airless jars are way more expensive, although the timeless one, which is now in an airless pump bottle, is still, I think, close to the same price of this. So keep that one in mind. In terms of denatured or drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. And it is also fragrance-free and doesn't have any much noticeable scent. It might have a slight metallic almost scent, but it's, for vitamin C serum, pretty unnoticeable, which is nice. The manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. Let me do the pH, even though they state the pH on their website. I thought I would just take it just in case you guys are curious about it. So, and I think honestly this is going to be my main issue with the formula, is that the pH isn't the most ideal pH for vitamin C. It looks to be about 4, which is about what they say on their website on SokoGlam. They say the pH is between 4 and 5. I would say it's almost 4 on the money, which is better because for vitamin C you really want it 3.5-ish is ideal. If you're new to vitamin C, they recommend, or if you have sensitive skin, start by mixing 2 or 3 drops in with your moisturizer. Or you could also just use it every other day for a couple of weeks until your skin adjusts to it. But it's very easy to use because it's got really nice water-light texture, which absorbs pretty quickly, and it layers well with other products. I would say it sets to an almost non-sticky finish that's very, very slightly tacky, but not nearly as tacky as a lot of other vitamin C serums. So certainly if you're new to vitamin C or you have sensitive skin, certainly work your way up because vitamin C can be kind of sensitizing at first, especially for sensitive skin. But this one has 10% vitamin C. A lot of the other ones on the market have 15 or 20. So this one is a lesser percentage, so it should be a little bit more friendly for sensitive skin or those who are vitamin C beginners. This is a great one to start with because it doesn't have a super high percentage of vitamin C. So certainly just be cautious about it, but I really like the water texture of it. You can apply it immediately after cleansing and toning, and then I recommend using it in the morning because vitamin C kind of boosts the efficacy of sunscreen and helps your skin fight off free radicals and environmental damage. So if you can use it in the morning, that is certainly the ideal way to go with it. But some people like to use it twice a day as well. There's nothing wrong with that. If your skin handles it, nothing wrong with that. So very easy to use, no issues layering or anything. So if you have oily skin and you don't like a lot of other vitamin C products, because a lot of them are oil-based or a little bit more hydrating, this one's a great one for oilier type skin. Another great one is the Wish Trend Pure Vitamin C 10% Serum. Wish Trend has 2. To get the 10% one, that's the more watery one. So very easy to use, no issues at all with that. Okay, then we get to the fun stuff. Antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. And this one has a little bit longer of an ingredient list, but everything really has a good purpose in here. So we've got ascorbic acid, which is a great ingredient. It helps your skin fight off free radical damage. It brightens your skin. It boosts collagen production, which is really what you want. Protects skin from environmental damage, helps brighten and heal sun damage. Then we've got that camu fruit extract, which they mentioned. It's a ingredient with a very strong antioxidant capacity due to its levels of vitamin C that it contains, phenolylate compounds, and other plant chemicals. Camu is one of the most effective berries in terms of its antioxidant content and ability to fight free radical damage. Then we've got that licorice root extract, which they also mentioned. It's great for brightening skin. It also helps with pigmentation issues. If you've got hyperpigmentation, things like that, licorice root is a great one to add into your routine. So let's see. It's skin lightening and other depigmenting properties. The most active part of licorice root extract is called Glabradin. The topical application of 0.5% Glabradin was shown to inhibit UVB-caused pigmentation in guinea pigs. So licorice root is a great one for that main reason. Okay, it's also considered to be one of the safest skin lightening ingredients with the fewest side effects. Then we've got niacinamide. Great for everything for skin. Niacinamide you want it in your routine. It's great for brightening skin. It helps skin barrier repair. It's also good for anti-acne. Also great to help your pores clean. So niacinamide is an awesome ingredient. Then, interestingly enough, we've got magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, which is a vitamin C derivative that's very stable. It's very stable up to a pH of about 7, so that's within range. Some studies have shown that MAP, magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, boosts collagen production, brightens skin, and also is very good for hydrating skin. The Ordinary has their magnesium ascorbyl phosphate moisturizer, which is very hydrating. So if you want a hydrating type of vitamin C, that's a great one. Although it's sold out, like all the time. I don't know. The Ordinary's having issues with that, I can say. Okay, then we've got Arbutin, another good skin lightening ingredient and brightening ingredient as well as antioxidant. We've got vitamin E, another good antioxidant and hydrating ingredient. We've got this Coptis Japonica extract, which is an antimicrobial and skin conditioning. We've got ginseng, which is another good antioxidant, skin conditioning and protecting ingredient. Then we've got tuber magnatum extract, which is a good mushroom extract. Hibiscus sabdariffa flower, which is a skin conditioning ingredient. Then we've got cocoa extract, which is a good skin conditioning ingredient as well as a hydrating ingredient. And then we've got itabanone, which is a very good antioxidant, which there are a lot of itabanone serums, mostly in K-beauty products. Isntree has one, Make Prem has one. The nice thing is this one has it in there. So a very good list of ingredients that are very good for brightening the skin and fighting off free radical damage. So they did a great job with this one. They took a lot of notes from other products, which were great, and kind of combined them and put them all into one. So, okay, we get to my 7th criteria, which is animal testing, and this is cruelty-free as well as vegan. So, great for everybody. In terms of performance, so very aesthetically pleasing to apply. I love the watery texture. It doesn't have as much stickiness as other vitamin C serums, and it doesn't have a strong noticeable scent. Like a lot of other vitamin C serums have kind of a hot dog water scent. This one doesn't have that so much. Maybe very, very, very slight, but not as bad as a lot of other ones. I would say this has really helped brighten up my skin as well as help prevent breakouts. I love the fact that it gives your skin a boost of moisturizing as well as the antioxidants. And it's great for acne-prone skin. There's really only one note of major concern, which is butylene glycol, which is in like everything. So very, 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 very great for acne-prone skin. Then we get to the price. So this is the full size, which is 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, and it retails for $26, making it super affordable, and even more so that the super light water texture a little bit goes a long way. So a bottle will last you a while, but when you get towards the very end of anything that's vitamin C with a dropper bottle, it's not as good as when you first opened it. So keep that one in mind. Okay, then we get to my 10th criteria, which is the it factor. And the only slight reason I have any concern with this one is the fact that vitamin C in water is really going to be the most stable if the pH is 3.5% or less. And of course, the less you get, the more acidic it gets, which is potential for more irritation. This one has a pH of about 4. So it's a little bit out of that range, not a ton, but it would be a little bit better if it had a little bit lower pH. The lower or the higher the pH gets, the less and less likely the vitamin C is going to be absorbed into your skin. So keep that in mind. But overall, I like the fact that they also include another form of vitamin C and the magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, and the camo extract is also great. Love this one. I like the fact that it's alcohol-free, fragrance-free, cruelty-free, vegan, affordable. It's a winner in my book, with the exception of that slight pH, just a little bit off. So with a 10 being a perfect score, I give this one a 9. If the pH had been 0.5 lower, I'd probably have given it a 10 out of 10. But still a pretty good one. If you're someone that loved this one, you're probably going to enjoy this one as well. So keep that one in mind. Anyway, so I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to check it out yet or not, and what your thoughts are, or if you've tried anything else from Good Skin Days, or if you have a favorite vitamin C serum. What is it and why do you love it? So leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much.